What's up, y'all? Thanks for coming back to my channel. It's your boy Gio. I got a couple things I want to share with you guys for this video, and I also wanted to give y'all a little update on the portable TV I had. But the first thing I want to start off with for this video is gonna be a microphone. But before I get to that, just stay tuned for the end because I'm gonna announce a giveaway. So yeah, don't miss that. But I'm gonna start off this video with a microphone that I picked up from Amazon because like I told you guys in the last video, I'm trying to start this channel up, so I'm trying to buy my equipment for this now. But these were, I think they were about like 20 bucks. They're called the Boya BY-M1 microphone. So I wanted to start off the video like this so that you guys could get I guess a sense of how they sound compared to just what I'm using right now, which is my phone to do this. So as soon as we open it, it comes in this nice little black leather bag, which is pretty cool. Like it feels like real leather. I don't know if it is though. But I got this pair because not only is it cheap, I have to use my phone. So this is one of the only microphones that still has a regular headphone jack, a 3.5mm headphone jack. And I picked up also a dongle off of Amazon for like, I don't know, I think it was like $5 or something. So yeah, this cable also is, I think, about 19 feet long, so it's pretty long. So I'm going to hook this up and then we'll be back. Alright, so I'm back now and I have a stretch collar because I didn't know how to put on the little clip. And then I thought I almost broke it because you have to like snap it on the end. But this is how it looks. I have the cable really short because, like I said, it's a 19-foot cable. So I don't really need that for my setup right now. But also in the bag, it brings also a little battery. And it also brings a little adapter if you want to put it into like an actual speaker or something for you know, better usage, I guess, for the cameras. I think this is what they use. I'm not sure. But that's pretty much all it brings. I just pretty much like this bag. I hope it's a difference. I don't know. We just tried it on. I haven't used this yet, but I'm hoping it works because the dongle I have is not even for mic. It's just for headphones. So I didn't know if the microphone was going to work. But moving on to that, it's not much of an unboxing. It's more of a review. I needed a couple weeks ago a pair of headphones because I was just getting tired of wired headphones. So I found these Mpow Thor wireless headsets for $25, I think, on Amazon also. And I've been checking them out. I've been trying them out for about almost a month, I'd say. These are it. I'm not sure how it's coming up on the camera, but it has like a kind of gloss finish on the outside and it has like leather on the inside, so it's pretty soft. But you also have to remember that the price point for these, like, I don't know, I don't think you could beat $25 for wireless headphones. It's all black. It has kind of like a rubber feel to it at the top, but it isn't as comfortable. It's literally like a plastic and then just like rubber. Obviously you just heard, or I don't know if the mic picked it up, but it's cheap plastic. But then again, like I said, I only paid $25 for them. I'm gonna see if I have a clip. I don't know if I have a clip, but I compared these headphones to my brother's Beats. And the reason why I got these was because the actual speaker inside, it's a 50mm, I think it's called a audio drive or something drive, or a driver. It's the size of the speaker. So it's pretty big. It's the same one I have on my Turtle Beaches, and it's really loud. The bass isn't really deep, but you'll hear it. It's not really as bassy as other like more premium headphones, but yeah, they're really cool. It uses regular USB. It has like a little rocker here to go up and down on the songs and also to turn up and down the volume. And it also has a built-in microphone. So also, if you wanted to just use them as like a wireless headset for phone calls while you're driving, or I don't know, biking or whatever you're doing, I just use these while I'm walking to work or whatever. If I'm somewhere and I know I'm gonna be there for a while, I just take these. They do also fold, but they're not as small as other headphones, but it's pretty convenient to fold them a bit, even though it's, I mean, it's not really much of a difference, but it's whatever. I don't care. It's $25. You can't beat it. But they don't really have as much bass as the Beats did that my brother had, that I compared them to. His had a really nice bass, and the cushion on that leather was really soft. But these were way louder. They were way louder than his Beats, which was really surprising, because I think his are like 100 or 200 and these are 25, and they're louder, but it just doesn't have as much bass. Another reason why I picked these up was because the battery, it lasts I think like 6 or 8 hours, which is alright. But it also brought micro USB to charge it, and it also brought an adapter so that if your headphones die by any chance, you could just plug this wire up to it, because it has a regular 3.5 headphone 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and you could just plug it into your phone, and it doesn't need to have battery or anything for that. It just needs the battery to have it on Bluetooth, to have it wireless. So I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, so these headphones, I will be entering these or the next product that I'm gonna review. I'm gonna be giving either away, so just stay tuned for the information on that giveaway. Alright, y'all, so moving on now. I picked up a keyboard from my Xbox One controller. It's called the Moko Xbox One mini green backlit keyboard. I picked these up because they were only, I think they were like 19 or 20 bucks, and they're the only ones on Amazon that has a backlit keyboard. But I'm not gonna be able to unbox this again because I already tried and I didn't see the stickers on the side on the last video I was trying to do, and I ripped the box, so I'm not even gonna try to fake this for you guys. I'm gonna just open this thing up again. But yeah, like I said, it's a backlit keyboard, so it lights up and it doesn't need a battery. Let me just take this out. So I got it in white because obviously my controller is white, but this is what it looks like. And it also has a little receiver built into it that you could take out, and you just plug it into whatever. But it also has like a little safety part for the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and you just like flip it up, and then you just close this little rubber part again, and then you just put it into the control, which we'll do now. So I can just show you. You just align this. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. It doesn't really make a difference in the way it feels. It feels pretty good actually on the control, but this is what it looks like on. So as I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but all the buttons are green, and it's like really soft. Like I don't know if you guys ever had the calculator watch with the really soft rubber buttons. That's what it feels like, and I don't know if the microphone can pick that up, but they're super clicky. But like I said, it feels really good in the hands, and it's not too bulky or anything. That's what I was afraid of. And also a big part that I got it, that made me get it, was that it has also a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so that I could plug in my headphones, because I still have wired headphones that I play with. Now, this was the other product that I wanted to ask you guys if you guys want me to give away, either this keyboard or, like I had mentioned, the Mpow Thor headphones. Just let me know. Like I said, all you have to do is follow my Instagram page at GeoTheDog and like this video, and just let me know in the comments if you want the headphones or if you guys would want the keyboard instead. But now moving on from both of these, I also wanted to give you guys an update on the television that I had previously did a review on. So I've had it for, I think it's been about a little over a month, and for what I'm using it for, which is basically just watching football on Sundays whenever I'm not home, it's been doing the job. The only thing that I can probably say, just in case for some people that are actually looking for a like real portable television, if you move too much, the antenna, or like if you walk by it or anything, it'll just start blurring out, as you can see right now. Or I don't know if the camera's picking that up anyway, but it's not an actual portable one with like a built-in antenna that you could just like pull out, because I used to have one like that, and I could like move around and it would be fine. But with this, as you can see, you have to have it set in one place. Also, I didn't mention in that video that it also has a SD reader. So if you have something saved into like a SD card, you could put it in also. And yeah, I mean, it's still held up. The watch time, it's approximately, I'd probably say 2 hours, 2.5 hours with a full charge. I've been able to watch like a first half and maybe like almost half of the third quarter of a football game. So it's alright. I mean, I can't watch the whole game, but it gets the job done. I get to where I have to get to and still be able to use it and then not miss my games. But like I said, I'm still trying to build this channel up. So the content's going to be getting better little by little. Just have patience. Alright, y'all. So I just wanted to wrap up this video using the microphone built into the Mpow Thor wireless Bluetooth headphones, just to give you guys an idea of what they may sound like if you wanted to use them for something like this, or I'm not really sure what y'all would use them for, but yeah, I think they're more than capable if you needed to, maybe to do a voiceover or something. They're alright. And again, just a reminder to join my giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, follow my Instagram page at GeoTheDog, and just comment if you would rather have these headphones, these Mpow Thor wireless Bluetooth headphones, or if you would rather want me to put these in the giveaway, the Moko Xbox One S controller keyboard. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.